Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Just earlier tonight, I made a video on this and sent it to the man I was trying to help, and it helped him, but he noticed I left one step out, and it makes a big difference. So if you didn't watch part one, you'll be a little bit confused. We're going to fill that in, and we're going to nudge it over twice. If you always remember how far you nudged it over, you can nudge it right back and make it work. But what I did do, I'm going to left click, right click. And what I kind of forgot to do is take and round off these corners. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of some nodes I don't need. And then that way I only have corner nodes, and I'm going to select them. And I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I'm going to scallop them off like 0.2. Just make them a little bit, you know what, for the video, let's make them 0.4. That's going to change the look of this thing quite a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And if you watch part one, we took a 2-point line and go from the center to the perpendicular, make it white, go up and make it something other than, I'm going to make it actually thicker this time. And then don't forget to go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. I don't ever pay attention to this. I'm not a printer, so I don't care what color it is. I'm just helping with the videos. And then with it selected, go up to Effects Now and Blur and Gaussian Blur. And it makes it look like it's a corner. Now I need to group this together, Control G. And then alternate C to make it rotate, and rotate it 60 degrees. I did not make a duplicate. So whenever I do that, I go back to 0 and then just go backwards. And now I agree, it looks better. I changed it up quite a bit, but that's just, I decided to go ahead and make the video just so you know that you can round off those corners. It does make it look a little cooler. But with that said, the Gaussian blur kind of goes off the scale. We could possibly kind of fix that somehow, but I'm gonna leave it like it is unless somebody's got a question on how to do it. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.